Welcome back to Mindful Moments. Today, we're taking mindfulness on the move. That's right, we're walking, but not the usual rushed, head down, laser focused on the destination stroll. This is about walking with awareness. A mindful walk, if you will. Don't worry, you don't need to be in a serene forest. Sidewalks and grocery store aisles work too. Here's how you do it. Start walking at whatever pace feels good for you. Now, shift your focus to your feet. Notice how they hit the ground. Which part touches first? The heel? The ball of your foot? Next, tune into the rhythm of your steps. Is it even, uneven, fast, slow? There's no right or wrong here, just notice. Then, expand your awareness outward. What do you see around you? Trees? Buildings? That person walking their overly enthusiastic dog? Take it all in without judgment. Same goes for sounds. Can you hear your footsteps? A car in the distance? Birds chirping? Finally, turn to your breath. How does it sync with your steps? Maybe you inhale for 2 steps and exhale for 3. Find your rhythm and settle into it. Walking mindfulness is your ticket to slowing down, even when you're on the go. Try it out next time you're on your feet, even if it's just walking to the fridge. Until next time, keep your feet grounded and your mind open.